Previously, I used Watchfinder to buy this new watch. What did I get? Well, let's dive on in. Welcome back to the channel, all you watch heroes and nerds. A couple of weeks ago, I told you about Watchfinder and how I found the process and customer service. Spoiler alert, I thought it was great. And not only that, but easy as well. But anyway, today I'm going to show you two things. Firstly, what watch I bought, and secondly, what I sold on the platform to make room for it. Okay, so let's kick off with what I sold. So we are going to have three contenders for the watches that I sold. So the first one is the Omega Aquaterra. Could my favourite pickup of 2023 be in the mix? And is it mad to do so, seeing as I only bought it in December? Or is it the Grand Seiko SBNG027? I describe this one as the perfect everyday watch. This hyper accurate quartz GMT at plus or minus 10 seconds per year was and is a perfect one watch collection for some people. Finally, we have the Oris Divers 65, the 36mm. This is a great little diver, but maybe a tad too small for me, but perfect for my wife. So, did I give it to my wife or did I sell it? So which one do you think went towards the new purchase? Was it the Omega? Was it the Grand Seiko? Or was it the Oris? Well, I won't keep you in suspense for any longer. It was the Grand Seiko SBNG027. I loved the Omega Aquaterra, and although it may be on a shaky nail towards the end of this year, I'm not ready to get rid of it just yet. The Oris is now in the very capable hands and wrist of my lovely wife, and it looks amazing on her, and I couldn't help but make sure that she got it. So why the Grand Seiko? Well, I thought the Grand Seiko was an amazing one and done watch, but with this new acquisition, this new watch, I just wouldn't wear it. After all, what I bought was actually a bit of a grail watch of mine. So this isn't going to be a full review of what I bought today, but I will be doing a brief run through of the watch, and believe me when I say a full review will be coming mid-May this year. This is a grail watch of mine, and I am buzzing to show it to you. So enough of the foreplay. This is what I bought. Yes, it is a Seamaster 300 meters in the elusive and gorgeous green, or as it's been nicknamed, the seaweed green. So I won't go through a full review today, but that will be coming later down the line, as I've mentioned before. But for now, just look at it. So very quick spec check from me today before I finish off the video. 42mm in diameter, a compact lug-to-lug of 49.9mm and a 13.5mm thickness, so it wears so well on my 7.5-inch wrist. The other major specs on here, aside from the movement, is 300 meters of water resistance, domed sapphire crystal with lashings of AR coating, amazing bicolored loom, and full stainless steel construction. Finally, the movement, as we all know, is the highly anti-magnetic 15,000 Gauss, which is nothing to sniff at, caliber 8800. It hacks and hand winds and has a 55-hour power reserve. So this is my new watch, and as I've said, no full review just yet. You'll have to wait a little bit for that, but not too long, just a little bit. But I love the colour, I love the dial, I love the entire look of this watch. And I don't know, maybe because I grew up with the GoldenEye film and game in my formative years, but I just love the design of a Seamaster. Nothing on it seems to really bother me, and I know that it bothers some people, but it just doesn't really seem to bother me that much. The two most contentious parts of the watch, the helium escape valve and the bracelet, is just nostalgic to me, and it doesn't bother me at all. I've also bought a mesh strap and a NATO strap to go with this one anyway, as I plan on swapping this around on straps, and I always personally believe that a great Grail watch should be very versatile to go on different straps as well, to dress it up or to dress it down if you see fit. I'm really looking forward to reviewing this one. Stay tuned, and updates will be coming soon. Take care, watch nerds.